Hello students, in this video we are going to study about lesson number 5, database concepts using LibreOffice base. Now this video is based on the commerce chapter for IT subject. LibreOffice is totally very much equivalent to the office which we use, Microsoft Office. We have the features like Word, we have the features of Excel, we have Access, we have PowerPoint presentation. All those things can be done with the help of LibreOffice. But particularly in this chapter, we are going to study about how we can create a table, how we can create a database, and how to insert the records inside the table. Before understanding that, we'll just revise the database concept. We have already studied in previous year for 11th standard what is database. So database is nothing but it is a collection of tables. When so many tables they come together, then it creates a database. So base, the LibreOffice, this is especially a software which we have to download it. It is totally open source software, free of cost. Anyone can download easily. So base is an open source database management system software and designed to allow users to easily create, access, modify and view the database. So whatever you create, whatever is the database, in that you can make many numbers of tables, you can modify it, you can access it, you can retrieve it, you can also view it. Now database consists of so much of data. So what is a data? Data can be any fact, any figure and details related to people, place, things and event. So it can be in any form. It can be in the form of written, it can be in the form of oral, computerized, non-computerized, any type of form a data can have. We use computer in our day-to-day life. We save the things in the form of numbers, we use alphabets, we copy paste the images, we also save the data in the form of audios, videos. So the data, whichever you use, that data can be in any form. Data in its original form may not be such useful. So always a data must be processed in a proper way to generate the useful and meaning information. तो बेसिकली जो डेटा होता है, इट कैन बी रेलिवेंट एंड इररेलिवेंट. वो सही भी हो सकता है, रॉन्ग भी हो सकता है. यू कैन नॉट रिलाई कम्प्लीटली ऑन द डेटा. Whenever you take a data, you process the data further, then and then only you can remove some meaning out of it. You can get some information out of it. So always the data which is an original data, that data may not be useful to you, but if you process the data, if you refine the data, then definitely that data is going to help you to form an information. Now information is required result obtained from processing of data. Information is the output generated through processing of raw data. It is an important because it forms the foundation for decision making. So basically, whatever is the data, it is totally in a raw fact. If you process the data, then it gets converted into information. So information is the output after processing your data. Whenever the raw data is processed, the output which you get, that is the information. And the information is important for what? To take some decision, to get some meaning out of your data. Now database, I have already told, it is the collection of data, but that collection of data is stored in the form of tables. So database consists of different objects like table, query, form and report. LibreOffice में हम टेबल के बारे में देखेंगे, टेबल कैसे बनाते हैं, उसमें रिकॉर्ड्स कैसे इंसर्ट करते हैं. फिर हम क्वेरी के बारे में पढ़ेंगे and then we have form and report. That is also another part which we will study in this lesson. So what is table? We have already studied table in DBMS. Table is nothing but it is the collection of rows and columns. जब बहुत सारे रोज कॉलम्स एक साथ आते हैं तो वन टेबल इज क्रिएटेड. सो इट इज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ रिलेटेड डेटा. व्हाट इज अ क्वेरी? Query is nothing but it is used to retrieve the information from the database. If any time if you want to retrieve the information, अगर आपको किसी के बारे में information जाननी है तो आप query use करोगे. If you want to insert anything, you will use the query. Okay. So we have already studied the queries like DDL query, DCL, DML queries. तो उसमें बहुत सारी queries थे, select, alter, insert, drop, truncate. So all these queries comes under your query part. बाद में we have the next section, that is the form. So form is used to collect the information from the user. We have already made so many forms in HTML. तो HTML में हम जब form बनाते हैं, what do? We say enter your name, enter your address, enter your class, enter your division. तो हम क्या करते हैं कि हम user को we ask the user the questions, okay, and then the user he fills the information inside the boxes. So what is the work of form? The work of form is what? To use and to collect the information from the user. And last is the report. अभी report का काम क्या है कि all जो भी डेटा है आपका, वो आपने किस तरीके से उसको एनालाइज किया है, तो वो डेटा आप किस तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट करते हो इन अ प्रिंटेड फॉर्म, तो हम उसे रिपोर्ट बुलाएंगे. सो रिपोर्ट इज नथिंग बट द रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ डेटा इन अ प्रिंटेड फॉर्म. सो दीज आर ऑल वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ LibreOffice. नेक्स्ट इज DBMS. Database Management System is a software. First of all, it is a software which is used to design a database. ठीक है, तो डेटाबेस डिजाइन करते वक्त आप टेबल्स में या फिर डेटाबेस में डेटा रिट्राइव कर सकते हो, डिलीट कर सकते हो, मैनिपुलेट कर सकते हो, डिफाइन कर सकते हो, मैनेज कर सकते हो. ओके, ऑल द थिंग्स कैन बी डन विद द डेटाबेस इन डेटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम. It provides so many functions that allows entry, storage and retrieval of large quantities of information and provide ways to manage the information. It also defines the rules to validate and manipulate the data. तो अगर आपको कुछ डेटा वैलिडेट करना है, वैलिडेशन मतलब वो डेटा जो यूजर एंटर कर रहा है क्या वो सही है या गलत है, अगर आपको चेक करना है वो भी आप you can check it with the help of DBMS. Okay, so this is all about the introduction part of LibreOffice. In the next video we'll study about how to install LibreOffice and what is the look of LibreOffice and how to understand different tools in LibreOffice. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe the channel.